Milan Malpensa, where the local time is fast approaching 9:30 in the morning. That's 1 hour ahead of the UK. And we're pleased to say that we have landed approximately 25 minutes ahead of schedule. Wow. Very shortly you'll see the cabin crew leaving their seats to perform safety related duties. However, we kindly ask that you remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the overhead signs have been switched off and the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop. This will be indicated by once again the seatbelt signs being turned off and the cabin lights being turned on. Portable electronic devices for messaging, calls and instant access can now be used, providing they're within reach. Please take care when opening the overhead lockers in case anything has moved and could fall out, injuring yourself or your fellow passengers. Smoking is still not permitted until you reach a designated smoking area. This does include the use of all electronic cigarettes and vapes. All that's left said on behalf of your captain, first officer and your onboard London Gatwick crew, I'd like to thank you for flying with EasyJet today and hope to see you on another service in the not so distant future. Thank you and have safe onward journeys.
Vi preghiamo di mantenere le cinture allacciate fino a quando l'apposito segnale non si spegne. È ora possibile utilizzare i dispositivi elettronici. Guardatevi intorno per assicurarvi di non lasciare effetti personali a bordo. Prestate attenzione quando aprite le cappelliere, poiché gli oggetti al loro interno potrebbero essersi spostati. Fumare è vietato finché non raggiungerete un'area fumatori. Grazie per aver volato con noi oggi. Ci auguriamo di rivedervi presto a bordo dei nostri velivoli.
Did you know that we also offer an unbeatable price guarantee for our package holidays? Whether you're after a city break or a beach holiday, we've got thousands of hand-picked hotels for you to choose from. Simply search EasyJet Holidays and start planning your next getaway.
Potete usufruire di prezzi imbattibili sui nostri pacchetti vacanze. Se volete trascorrere un breve soggiorno in città o una vacanza al mare, abbiamo migliaia di hotel convenzionati tra cui poter scegliere. Cercate EasyJet Holidays e iniziate a programmare la vostra prossima destinazione.
Cabin crew, disarm doors for arrival.